which means that we are going somewhere. And so you should make your dream come true. And some mirrors is coming to push you from the level already to another level. No, you have to push yourself. You have to push yourself because you you have the power and to change it. You have the power uh, to change your life. So you should push yourself, not just like the way you can you can be pushed by someone. No, not just like that. And just push yourself. You should push yourself in mind. And then some men would, oh, I should do this, I should do this, I should do this until I make it, until I make it. And so if you just push yourself in mind, I know one day you might be surprised. You're not gonna bullshit.